It's 2025, and AI video editors are everywhere. They promise to save hours, automate edits, and even replace human editors. But when it comes to real YouTube content creation, which ones actually help, and which ones just add frustration? I put 5 of the most talked about AI video editors to the test on real YouTube footage, and the result honestly surprised me. Stick around because in this video, you'll see side-by-side comparisons, the pros and cons of each tool, and finally, the one editor I'll keep using for my YouTube videos going forward. Here are the 5 tools we tested today. 1. CapCut, popular for removing pauses and adding auto captions. 2. Gling, a fast, minimalist jump cut editor made for YouTubers. 3. Pictory, great for turning text scripts into videos automatically. 4th, Runway, known for its powerful AI tools like in-painting and audio cleanup. 5. Descript, a unique editor that lets you edit your video by editing the transcript. Each of these claims to save you time and effort, but let's find out which one really delivers. To give you a fair review, I use the same raw video clip and judge each AI editor on these 4 practical criteria. 1. Auto cuts and silence removal. Why it matters. YouTubers talk, pause, restart, editing that manually is time-consuming. What we looked for. Does the AI detect and remove awkward silences or filler words like, automatically? 2. Caption accuracy. Why it matters. Most viewers watch videos on mute. Captions increase watch time and accessibility. What we looked for. Does the AI generate captions accurately without weird typos or sync errors? 3. Music and sound sync. Why it matters. Background music sets the mood, but syncing it manually takes skill. What we looked for. Can the AI automatically suggest background tracks and sync them with the video's pacing? 4. Usability and pricing. Why it matters. Some AI tools are powerful, but too complicated or expensive. What we looked for. Is the interface beginner-friendly? Are the features available in free or affordable plans? Let's dive into side-by-side comparisons using real content. CapCut, I uploaded a 2-minute talking head video with pauses and minor background noise. Pros, CapCut automatically cut out silences, making the flow smoother. It added clean-looking captions in real time. It even suggested royalty-free background music based on tone. Cons, the cuts felt a bit mechanical, and transitions between sentences weren't always smooth. You have limited control unless you manually override the cuts. Best for beginners making simple YouTube videos or tutorials. Gling. Gling is built for jump cuts, perfect for fast-paced creators. Pros. It detected every pause and created tight, energetic edits. Super fast processing. The full edit took less than a minute. Interface is clean and minimal. Cons, no built-in music, captions, or transitions. Doesn't handle B-roll or complex formats. Best for YouTubers who speak to the camera and want quick cuts for shorts, reels, or fast vlogs. Pictory. Pictory is aimed at script-based content creators. Pros, you paste a script, and it generates a full video using stock visuals. Great for faceless channels or repurposing blog posts. The built-in voiceovers, AI-generated, save a lot of time. Cons, the voiceovers still sound a bit robotic. Not ideal for storytelling. Visuals can sometimes feel generic or mismatched without tweaking. Best for educational or listicle content creators without showing their face. Runway. This one's for tech-savvy editors who want pro-level AI tools. Pros. Incredible features like AI object removal, green screen, and motion tracking. Audio cleanup is top tier. Perfect for noisy environments. Expands your creative control. Cons, the learning curve is steep and the interface is more complex. Most features are not available in the free plan. Best for creators who want to combine AI automation with high-end editing workflows. Descript. Descript is probably the most innovative editor on this list. Pros, transcribes your entire video, then you just edit the text to edit the video. Remove filler words, pauses, and even retake audio with AI voice cloning. Auto captions are super accurate and editable. Cons, might feel strange at first if you're used to timeline-based editing. Export sometimes takes a bit longer than expected. Best for podcasters, educators, and creators who want speed plus script control. So, which one came out on top? After all the tests, the AI editor I'll keep using in 2025 is Descript. Here's why. It offers the perfect balance of automation and customization. You can literally edit your video like a Google Doc. It handles filler word removal, auto captions, and podcast-style audio with precision. And for faceless creators, you can even use its AI voiceover dub tool to re-record sentences using your voice. Whether you're making YouTube tutorials, interviews, or short-form videos, Descript puts power into your hands without the steep learning curve. So now you've seen them all. Which AI video editor would you pick? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what tool fits your style. I've added links to all 5 tools in the description. Some have free versions, so you can test them before you commit. Like the video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly videos on AI tools, YouTube growth, and online income strategies. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Veo 3 for free. Trust me, you won't believe what this tool can do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.